You are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are discussing 50 important multiple choice questions with answers of insurance and risk management. Please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Dash risk is defined as the relative variation of actual loss from expected loss. Right option is C. Objective risk. Question number 2. Dash refers to the cause of loss or the contingency that may cause a loss. Right answer is option B. Peril. Question number 3. A physical hazard is a condition stemming from the material characteristics of an object. True or false? Right answer is option A. True. Question number 4. The law of large numbers can be applied more easily to dash than speculative risk. Right answer is option C. Acceptable risk. Question number 5. Risk management is synonymous with insurance management. True or false? Right answer option B. False. Question number 6. Unemployment can result from. Right option is D. All of the above option. A. Business cycle downsizing. B. Seasonal factors. C. Imperfection in labor market. Question number 7. Higher the percentage of dash in GDP, lower the insurance penetration. Right answer is option A. Agriculture. Question number 8. Dash insurance is the one where the loss is not due to physical damage but the result of dishonesty of employees as a result of physical damage. Right option is B. Pecuniary. Question number 9. Dash is an essential part of the Baylor-Bailey relationship. Right answer is option A. The delivery of good. Question number 10. The consent will be free when it is not caused by. Right option is D. All of the above options. A. Coercion. B. Undue influence. C. Fraud. Question number 11. Dash contract means that only one party makes a legally enforceable promise. Right option is B. Unilateral. Question number 12. ACV stands for actual cash value. True or false? Right option is A. True. Question number 13. The rate making function in a life insurance company is performed by dash. Right option is C. Actuarial department. Question number 14. Which of the following licensing criteria is used for right option is D. All of the above options. A. Promoter and director's background. B. Product profile. C. Rural and social sector focus. Question number 15. The idea of insurance ombudsman was mooted in the year. Right answer is option B. 1938. Question number 16. Dash is a contract between two or more insurance companies by which a portion of risk of loss is transferred to another insurance companies. Right answer is option B. Reinsurance. Question number 17. Which of the following strategy reduces the chance of loss to zero? Right answer is option C. Risk avoidance. Question number 18. Dash is the distribution of insurance products through the bank's distribution channels. Right option is B. Reinsurance. Question number 19. According to Dash model, an insurance company markets its products almost exclusive through the distribution channel of its banking parents. Right option is C. The captive model. Question number 20. Dash arises when there is a possibility of an unintentional damage caused by a person to another person because of negligence. Right option is C. Liability risk. Question number 21. Dash is measured by the probability of adverse deviation. Right option is A. Degree of risk. Question number 22. Which one of the following is defined as the funding of losses either by using the internal reserves or by purchasing insurance? Right option is C, risk financing. Question number 23. Dash offers the rights to buy a specified asset like stocks at a particular price during a specified period. Right answer is option A, call option. Question number 24. Dash insurance is an optional insurance which is taken by an individual or a company by their own wish. Right option is C, voluntary. Question number 25. A risk manager can ignore those pure risks that are not insurable. True or false? Answer option B, false. Question number 26. A lien can be placed on one's income and financial assets to satisfy a legal judgment. This results in dash. Right option is B, liability risk. Question number 27. According to dash principle, life insurance can be affected on the lives of third parties provided the proposer has insurable interest in the third party. Right option is C, insurable interest in their lives, in others' life. Question number 28. The insurer, according to which of the following principle, becomes entitled to all the rights of insured subject matter after payment because he has to pay the actual loss of the property. Right option is B, subrogation in substitution. Is substitution. Question number 29. A contract of dash means the insured must accept the entire contract with all of its items and conditions. Right option is B, adhesion. Question number 30. Which of the following is the challenge for bank assurance in India? Right option is D, all of the above options. A, challenge in work culture. B, effective mining of the database. Option C, threat of cannibalization. Question number 31. There is no hazard of direct competition to conventional banking products. Right option is B, false. Question number 32. Which of the following is the main objective of IRDA? Right option is D, all of the above option. A, to take care of the policyholder interest. B, to open the insurance sector for private sectors. C. To supervise the activities of intermediaries. Question number 33. Life insurance and general insurance are divided on the basis of. Right answer is option C. Business point of view. Question number 34. The dash principle states that the business and individual should ensure potentially serious losses before relatively minor losses. Right option is D. Large loss. Question number 35. Dash are used as a valuable tool add to rate making and underwriting. Right option is A. Engineering services. Question number 36. Dash helps lower the cost of insurance as well as increase its availability. Right answer is option A. Deductible decisions. Question number 37. Defective products is an example of which loss exposure? Right answer is option D. Liability loss exposure. Question number 38. Without the payment of premium, the insurance contract cannot start. True or false? Right answer option A. True. Question number 39. Dash is a process of assessing risk and deciding who or what the insurance company can insure. Right option is A. Underwriting. Question number 40. Dash is a memorandum specifying some of the details of the property or liability policy to be issued by the company. Right answer is option C. Binder. Question number 41. Which among the following was formed in the year 1999 to control and enhance the insurance industry standards? Right answer is option B. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, IRDA. Question number 42. Which among the following are the insurance professionals have the right to accept or reject insurance applications based on some basic criteria of individual companies? Right option is D. Underwriters. Question number 43. Which of the following act was passed in 1999 to amend the Insurance Act of 1938? Right answer is option A. IRDA Act. Question number 44. The IRDA under the IRDA Investment and Amendment regulations issue detailed guidelines to DAS for making investment. Right answer is option A, insurers. Question number 45. Minimum age for money back policy is dash years. Right option is option C, 15 years. Question number 46. A person can apply for a surrender amount only if the premium has been paid for a minimum of dash years. Right answer is option A, 3. Question number 47. Assignment of a policy means the dash of the policy to a third party. Right answer is option C, transfer. Question number 48. Dash is given for a period of 4.5 months. Right answer is option C, aquaculture insurance. Question number 49. In dash policy, assets are insured for a certain sum irrespective of its value. Right answer is option D, specific. Question number 50 and last question. Dash covers the construction risk when the vessel is under construction. Right answer is option B, marine hull insurance. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe our channel.